大家好，我係櫻桃花。如果大家睇緊呢條片嘅話咧，估計都睇過我上一條片為主親申請人申請嘅。咁好啦，咁呢條片咧就講下跟住為 dependent 申請，咁有咩唔同啦？咁即係我太太啦。咁我呢條片咧主要集中講翻啲唔同嘅地方啦。咁如果大家想睇其他嘅嘢咧，可以 refer 翻我上一條片。好啦，咁dependent 亦都睇翻佢申請嘅時候，佢需要啲乜嘢，咁亦都個人嘅。咁我太太咧係佢會考 B1 啦，咁所以咧佢要申請，佢要準備 B1 嘅 awarding body 個名啦，同埋個 reference number。咁而其他 library engagement test 啦、travel history 啦、criminality 啦，同埋個日子咧，其實都係應該一樣。好啦，咁首先我哋申請都係 log in 翻我哋個 account 啦。咁你就發覺呢度可以 start application 噶啦，咁就幫阿櫻桃媽啦。好啦，咁至於前面嗰啲 your location 啦、immigration advisor device 嘅 details 啦、contact preference 啦、personal detail 咧，呢全部都一樣噶啦，咁所以我都唔會特別去講喺度。咁跟住嚟到 immigration status 啦，咁 immigration status 咧，由於太太係 dependent 啦，咁所以咧我哋就會揀中間呢個啦 ，family member of BNO status holder 啦。咁跟住咧，佢就話你知唔知道 end day 咧？咁呢啲都係一樣噶啦。咁呢啲亦都一樣啦。咁呢個亦都問你有冇其他 application 啦？你答冇啦。好啦，咁你 check 翻個 answer 啦。咁主要就係上高呢個 family member 呢度唔同啦。好啦，咁跟住填完 immigration status 之後咧，咁我哋就繼續就係 confirm your identity 啦，即係話會去到個 app 度，跟住你再影相啊 scan 你個 passport 啦。咁呢度一樣嘅。咁我哋 skip 咗啦。咁跟住落到做完呢個之後咧，你翻到嚟咧，咁我哋繼續做 other names of nationalities 啦。咁呢度亦都係一樣嘅。咁我哋 skip 佢啦。咁跟住下一個環節就係個 prepare application eligibility。咁呢一個咧就係會有啲唔同嘅。咁而你如果對比翻之前嗰個interface 咧，其實呢個位咧同之前如果你係主申請人嘅話咧係有少少唔同嘅。好啦 ，for eligibility 咧，咁首先咧佢就會問你係咪一個個 name of BNO status holder，即係話主申請人個名啦，咁即係我啦，櫻桃花啦。好啦，咁跟住就會問你同呢個主申請人嘅關係啦。咁如果你係太太嘅話，咁呢度填 spouse 啦。咁跟住佢會問翻你個主申請人個 passport number 啦，咁呢度填翻個 passport number，然後 provide 翻主申請人嘅 date of birth 啦，同埋個 place of birth。咁跟住就會問你個主申請人係咪 British citizen？咁因為我都係申請緊嘅，咁暫時未係啦。咁好啦，咁佢就會跟住問你咁呢個主申請人係咪申請緊 settlement 啦，或者係申請咗 settlement 啦？咁你答 yes 啦。咁然後佢就會問你你究竟有冇主申請人嗰個 UAN 啦？咁呢個 UAN 就係話你apply 個 number，即係話3434減呢個數字啦，大概有16個 digit 嘅。咁你答 yes 啦。咁然後你就入翻呢個 number 啦。咁所以呢個就係其中我哋一個要 copy 嘅 number 啦。好啦，咁跟住然後又係 check 咗 answer 啦，跟住你填晒之後 check 翻你究竟入嘅 answer 啱唔啱啦。咁啱晒咧就 continue。咁咧你就填完呢個 eligibility 啦。咁而填呢個之後咧，我哋就填 family and relationship 啦。咁呢個咧其實都係一樣嘅啫。咁佢問你係咪結咗婚啊？咁嗰啲你填翻就一樣，你嘅資料就 OK 噶啦。咁下一個環節唔同嘅咧就係呢個啦 ，linking code of family member 啦。咁因為由於而家申請係 dependent，咁所以佢 suppose assume 你有個 linking code。咁呢個 code 就係第二個 code 你要 copy 定噶啦。好啦，咁佢第一個問題就會問你有冇其他嘅 member 都係 apply 緊即係喺 UK stay 啦，咁你答 yes 啦。跟住咧佢就會問你有冇其他嘅 family member start，即係已經開始申請咗啦。咁你要答有啦，因為 你呢個係 dependent，咁你要 link up to 你已經申請咗嘅 member 啦。好啦，跟住佢就會問你有冇呢個 member 嘅 family linking code 啦，你又答有啦 ，yes 啦。好啦，跟住咧呢個咧你就要入翻，第一就要入翻個即係主申請人啦嗰個 day of birth 啦，然後再入翻嗰個 family linking code 啦。咁入完之後咧就 check 翻 answer 啦，即係話呢個頭三個係 yes 啦，咁跟住然後睇翻個 linking code 喺度 display 咗出嚟啦。咁啱晒嘅話，我哋就繼續 continue 啦。好啦，咁填完呢個之後咧，咁個 linking code for family member 咧就填完啦。咁跟住有幾項咧，譬如 travel history 啦，detail of your time in UK 啦，live in UK test 啦，criminality 啦，咁全部咧 criminality 咧，咁全部都係一樣嘅。咁根據翻你自己個人資料去填翻啦。咁跟住嚟到咧就係主要唔同咧，就係嘅 English language ability 啦。咁 for English language ability 咧 ，depends on 你用邊個途徑啦。咁我太太係會用 B1 嘅，咁所以佢填嘅嘢咧都有少少唔同啦。咁首先佢會問你，你有冇 evidence 喺上一次申請有冇 English language ability 嘅 evidence 啦？咁冇咧，因為我哋之前冇申請過啊嘛。咁答 no 啦。咁呢度就會講翻有三個途徑啦。第一個就話你喺UK 嘅 school 讀啦。第二個咧就係話你有個 degree 係 taught in English 啦。第三個咧就係話你 pass 咗個 English language test 啦。咁而呢度咧我會揀第三個嘅。好啦，咁呢度就係三個 option 啦。咁我揀第三個啦 ，and approved English language test 啦。好啦，咁你填翻你 test 嘅資料啦。咁首先個 awarding body 啦，咁我諗好多都係考 Trinity 嘅啦。咁呢 Trinity 呢個全名就係 Trinity College London 啦，TCL。咁填完個名之後咧，你有個 reference number 嘅。如果你 pass 咗之後咧，你喺你張 cert 或者你嘅 email 咧，應該有個 reference number 嘅。咁如果你係 TCL 度 pass 嘅話咧，佢就有個 reference number 咧，就係 TCL 跟住斜間啦，跟住一連串嘅 number 嘅。咁你 copy 翻落去啦。好啦，然後就係填咁多嘅啫。咁你就睇翻究竟你填嘅資料啱唔啱啦。然後填啱嘅話咧，咁就完成咗噶啦。咁跟住落去咧就會係account security question 啦。咁之前提過呢個係一樣嘅。咁你揀翻你三個你所選擇嘅 question 同埋 answer 啦。好啦，咁跟住完咗之後咧就會係 declaration 啦。咁 declaration 亦都一樣啦。咁你做 declaration 填到嚟 declaration 就停一停，因為你 declaration 之前咧，你未填 declaration 之前咧，你都可以再上翻上邊嘅 item 度，你逐個 check 翻。咁提議都係提議大家每個 item check 翻3次啦，最少。咁 make sure 你嘅資料全部正確，尤其是啲日期有時好容易填錯嘅。咁填啱晒之後咧，你就可以做 declaration 啦。好啦，咁要提翻大家做 declaration 之前要 verification 啦。咁填完之後咧，入咗 declaration 咧，咁同之前一樣噶啦。咁就係要 take 翻啲 condition 啦，要睇翻究竟你 declare 啲乜嘢啦。好啦，咁呢度有個選項嘅，就話因為我太太雖然係 dependent，但係佢其實都係揀第一個嘅，就係 applicant aged 18 or above， 咁都係揀翻呢個咯。咁揀完呢個咧 submit 咧，咁 declaration 就完成啦。咁 declaration 完成之後咧，咁跟住做 payment 啦。咁 payment 都係一樣噶啦。咁如果你想揀快證咧，就揀快證嗰個 option 啦。如果你揀想揀standard 嗰個，就揀翻 standard 個 option 啦。咁就係一樣嘅啫。咁跟住然後做完個 payment 之後咧，就會落到嚟 evidence upload 啦。咁咧我太太嗰個 case 就好特別嘅，佢係完全唔使 evidence upload 嘅。咁所以佢咧就基本上會彈翻入嚟個 application form 呢度。咁然後咧我撳翻入去睇咧，再 check 咧，然後咧你睇到啦，我嗰個 provide evidence 嗰度咧，佢就寫 mark 咗做 complete 嘅。咁所以咧喺我太太嘅 case 咧，其實佢完全唔使 upload 嘅。even 我聽過有啲朋友係話要 upload 個結婚證書啦，咁但係可能因為我哋做 BNO visa 嗰時已經 upload 過，咁佢其實呢個申請佢應該會 link up to 你之前 BNO visa 嗰個申請嘅，咁所以咧佢基本上乜嘢都唔使 upload。好啦，咁跟住咧 誒係啦，咁你就應該已經填晒所有嘅嘢啦。咁就大家就跟住就等個 result 啦。咁但係等個 result 期間咧，千祈冇乜都唔做喎。你要經常 check email。咁究竟睇翻有咩 update，又或者可能會叫你佢 check 完之後要叫你再 upload 某啲 evidence，咁都有機會嘅。咁所以大家都要留意住 email。咁我睇到 case 咧，佢就真係乜嘢都唔使再 upload 啦。然後咧其實喺我申請嘅喺我批嘅同一日咧，我太太都批咗。咁呢個就係我太太批咗嗰個 email 咯。咁好啦，咁呢個就係dependent 申請嘅程序啦。咁如果大家覺得有呢個片呢條片有用嘅話咧，就可以幫我 share 下啦，俾個 like 啦。咁多謝各位收睇，拜拜。